So for the past few days it's been really hot, especially for the UK anyway, and it's been really sunny. We've had really brilliant weather. Yeah, quite uncommon I'd say for here, but anyway. So about 2 weeks ago or so I did some work on this solar panel power system, and what I did was I changed the menu system, and I'll try and show you now. So if I just turn this on, so hopefully you can see what I've done here. So let's go back to the start. Here we go, solar. So this is the main screen if you like, and it comes on like this. So ACCBS Solar AI 4.1. I've got two things at the bottom, W and S. W means Wi-Fi and S means server. So if W is red, it means the server is not connected. Sorry, W is red, it means the Wi-Fi is not connected to my router, and S means it's not connected to the server. And of course you need Wi-Fi to be able to connect to the server. So this is what I've done to the menu. It's completely changed. So I've got ACCBS Solar AI, and then I've got the first page if you like, which says solar, voltage, amperage and wattage. I've got W down here and S. W indicates whether Wi-Fi is connected, red means it's not, and S indicates whether the server is connected, and red means it's not, green means it is. So at the moment we're not connected to Wi-Fi or the server, and you know, that's a bit of a problem, but whatever, I'll deal with that as and when. So the first page is solar, so it says voltage, 61 volts, amperage and wattage, and that's the solar power which is coming in, okay? Then we've got charge, so it says the voltage that it's charging the battery with is 27.67 volts, the amperage flowing into the batteries is 8.66 amps, and the wattage is 239 watts. Then draining, we are draining well, the battery voltage is 27.67. We're draining 120 milliamps because I'm not using solar at the moment, and it's draining 2 to 3 watts from the system. With this really mega sunny day, really I should be using solar. Anyway, so let's go on a bit more. Battery, we've got the battery voltage and the charge, which is saying 181. And with these batteries you overcharge them on purpose to equalise them. So that's what it's doing right now. That's why it's drawing so much. Light, it's saying, well, light is basically over the limit, so it's over 54,000 lux. Today is particularly bright and particularly hot and particularly sunny, so it's reached its limit. And then we go to control. Now in this control section I can actually press enter and go into it. You know, I can do various things to change it. Like this, on, off, and if I press enter it will commit it. So that's that. I don't really want to press enter. Well, in fact I can. And then change the source, I can do that there. Change the solar, change the non, and then go back, you know. So I've changed all this here. And the inverter, I can switch that on and off too. And that's as far as I am really. Go back to solar, so it says amperage. If I want to, I could switch over to solar now and get everything to run off solar. Now funnily enough, it's drawing 240 watts, and that's charging the batteries up with that, or trying to get them to equalise. But I'm actually drawing about the same, 220 watts or so, right now, and I'm drawing that from mains, which really, I suppose I should draw it from solar because it's so hot. Well, so sunny I should say. But you know, because I haven't tested this properly and whatever, I just haven't got around to doing it. But anyway, this is as far as I am, and I'm definitely a step further. So, what I want to do next is I want to change this ESP32 here. I want to change it for the one in the recent posters here video, the one which IC Station sent me the product for, because that's got a bigger antenna. And you can see here that it's not connected if I just press any button here. And it would be good if it was connected. Really this should work whether it's connected or not, but it's just having time to sort it all out. Anyway, that's where we are with solar, and as usual, thanks for watching. Bye!